The following video series is going to be focusing on operations involving radical expressions. This particular video will be focusing on the product property of radicals. Now, we've dealt with this product property of radicals before when we were simplifying square roots and simplifying nth roots. And it says that for any real numbers a and b and any integer n, where n is greater than 1, if you have the nth root of the product ab, you can split it into the nth root of a times the nth root of b. And we used this concept when we were simplifying radicals, so it's not brand new. We're just going to be practicing it to improve our skills. So if we have the square root of 81x to the fourth, what you do is you split it apart. You do the square root of 81 times the square root of x to the fourth. Well, the square root of 81 is 9, and the square root of x to the fourth is x squared, because remember, you're taking the square root, you divide the 4 by 2, and there's nothing remaining inside. So you have 9x squared. So if you have the fourth root of 16, a to the 24th, b to the 13th, you split it across the fourth root of 16. And for this one, I'm going to split the fourth root across each variable. So the fourth root of a to the 24th, and the fourth root of b to the 13th. So the fourth root of 16. Now remember, the quick way to do a fourth root without a calculator, if it is going to work out to be an integer, would be to take the square root. So the square root of 16 is 4, and then take the square root again. And so the square root of 4 is 2. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. So now you have the fourth root of a to the 24th. Remember, the trick is to take the exponent on the inside, divide by your root. So 24 divided by 4 is 6, with no remainder, so nothing remains inside. You have an a to the 6 on the outside. How many times does 4 go into 13? It goes in there 3 times nicely. So b cubed comes outside. Well, how many remain inside? Well, 4 and 3 give you 12. You want 13, so there's one more b remaining inside, b to the first power. So my final answer is 2a to the 6th b cubed times the fourth root of b.